If you love nature, then you need to know about the dipper bird. This bird's got some serious underwater skills. This little birdie isn't your average songbird. Dippers love to hang out near fast-moving streams and rivers. What makes them super cool is their ability to dive and walk underwater. Yep, you heard that right. They can hold their breath for up to 30 seconds. Using their wings to fly underwater, they search for tasty insects and small fish. And get this, they have a special eyelid to see underwater, like built-in goggles. Next time you're near a stream, keep an eye out for this diving daredevil. The dipper bird, nature's little underwater explorer. Pretty amazing, right?